Good afternoon. My name is Michael Carley, and I'm a Partner Solutions Engineer here at StreamSets. I'd like to give you a brief explainer on pipeline fragments. A pipeline fragment is a set of reusable pipeline logic. What that looks like is it's a pre-built series of stages that can be dropped anywhere into a pipeline to help speed up the development process. These pipelines look like full-fledged pipelines in many ways. They may be missing or will be missing either a origin, destination, or both. However, they can be used in many of the same ways as pipelines. You can create parameters, you can define execution modes, or you can use data drift rules or alerts. Fragments are a very useful feature, especially when it comes to increasing developer productivity overall. However, it should be noted that pipeline fragments are only created and used in StreamSets Control Hub. Let's go ahead and take a look at a pipeline fragment real quick. So here we've created a pipeline fragment to conduct an auditing process as part of our data ingestion framework. Here we can see that we use the expression evaluator, much like we would in a regular pipeline, to do things like create timestamps, designate IDs, and then we'll go ahead and we'll split the records based on a particular field. We'll extract some values, we'll convert some data types, and then we'll either write that to a destination or save that audit feature in some way, shape, or form. So what we'll go ahead and do is we'll take this pipeline fragment and insert it into a pipeline. So here we are with our test pipeline. What I want to do is I want to insert the fragment in this pipeline. I'll go ahead and edit this pipeline. And now that I can edit, I will actually insert the pipeline fragment that we've created. There you go. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and expand this pipeline fragment so you can see that it's all the same pipeline logic that we've designed earlier. Thank you very much for your time. That covers pipeline fragments today. Have a good day.